Hey guys, we're back. We're in Noah Craig's Department of Kitchen Studies.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
We're in the kitchen and I'm making some breakfast for the fam.
Yeah.
For the Noah Craig fam. And we're trying to come up with good ideas. We've made breakfast sandwiches, tofu scramble, breakfast burritos, French toast. So today we're gonna make a breakfast pizza. And I got the tofu here. So you've already seen me make tofu scramble, so I'm just gonna run through this. Last night I made myself some vegan dough, which both of those tofu scramble and the dough are in the Vegan Zombie cookbook. If you're interested, we're just gonna start working on the tofu scramble right now. We got the oven preheated for the dough to become a pizza. We got Craig behind the camera. If I had a mirror right now, you would see something so unreal. I have a sharp knife with me today, Edge of Belgravia. But tofu, extra firm, organic. I use the Wegmans version. We're gonna crumble that up. I don't press my tofu. Okay, I got a nice big bowl. And we're just gonna kind of crumble it up into, I don't know, medium-sized pieces, not completely small, but not like that either. It's kind of like that, you know? Kind of like that. I didn't bring my big pizza sheet, so we have two little ones. So we're gonna make two little pizzas. Yeah. See, I don't even have to do this. Craig can film it and do it at the same time. All I have here is some nice chopped up zucchini. Sometimes I use the potatoes in there as well. Whatever you want to put in. I don't have all the spices with me. I just realized I need some turmeric. I hope you have it.
Turmeric, yep.
Yep, we just used the rest of Turmy.
Nice.
Turmy McOdin pants. I just put some basil in there too, and then I'm gonna put some good old pap in there. Paprika.
I've never put basil in a tofu scramble, but yours always turn out great.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't bring garlic powder either.
Oh, I got garlic powder.
There's some pepper.
I think it's right here.
Cumin, garlic powder. The Noah Craigers love the garlic powder, so I'm gonna put some of that in there for them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I usually put, I don't think you have it though, the Edward & Son vegan Worcestershire.
No, I do not.
Got any like soy sauce or something?
Yeah, I got liquid aminos.
Yeah, liquid aminos is great. It's great.
Liquid aminers.
Okay, liquid amini, miney mo. When you untwist it, you gotta be very careful because we don't want all that. We only want a little bit in there, like that much.
Secret ingredient.
And also, another secret ingredient is a little bit of freaking maple syrup. Okay, so these are cooking up nicely. I'm just gonna throw this on the side. We'll let that cook up and the flavors will all mix together. So these are kind of gonna be like little pizzas because of the fact that we don't have a big pizza tray. Start working them because this dough was a little bit too cold from being in the refrigerator this morning.
Does that mean it just doesn't want to stretch when it's like that?
Well, no, yeah, a little bit. You need it to like kind of thaw out. So when I was on the way over here, I just put it up on my dash of my car, turn the heat up. It's actually not bad out today. It's like 41.
Yeah.
In terms of Syracuse, New York, that's pretty good.
Yeah. As you can see, there's still snow outside.
Yeah. We're doing the Noah Craig Sunday videos. You see that? The color is coming out. It's turning a lot yellower. These are going to be kind of little pizzas. Okay, with your very sharp knife, we're gonna chop up some Roma tomatoes. We're just gonna get that inside out of there. We're gonna take those and we're gonna cube them up. And we also got spinach, right? I don't know what just happened there. Make it rain the tomatoes. What I call a Roma rain.
That's good. The yellow, green,
Yeah.
white, and red.
Yeah. And wait until we put the spinach in there. Wow. And it's gonna blow your mind. We got some nice fresh little salad bar spinach. We all know spinach can wilt into nothing, so that's what we're gonna do.
Mm-hmm. In the pizza pan. So did we already spray that one? Because we should if we didn't.
It didn't.
Okay, because it'll probably stick if we don't.
So we got some more of that Don't Be a Piggy. This is sausage crumble. We had the patties last week. Now we have the crumble. Got it at Wegmans. All vegan. And I'm just gonna put some of this in there. Cook up as well. That's good. It'll cook in the oven too once we get the pizza in the
Yeah.
oven.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's not raw, so.
It ain't raw. It ain't like it's a piece of fish. If you guys are craving eggs, just throw on some tofu scramble.
Or chickpea scramble.
Chickpea scramble.
Have you had that before?
Yeah, I made a vegan omelet out of that.
I would eat that.
It's in our cookbook. Vegan
yeah?
omelet, yeah.
Maybe we should do that next time.
We could.
So what's the purpose of throwing it back and forth?
I'm trying to get it nice, and a lot of people say, how do you get your dough like you get it? And I mean, you can just stretch it out and be all rustic, but I try to like form it to the circular pan, make it nice and circular, and stretch it, because you can't just force it, you got to kind of work it. I used to work at several different pizza places throughout the entire world, just kidding, right in New York and Florida.
All over the world, then.
All over the East Coast, New York and Florida. You want your dough to be nice and be able to stretch. If it's not kneaded, if the gluten isn't worked enough, it will rip. If you let it sit down and the gluten kind of rest, and then you can stretch it again. And then I have some more, which I think we're gonna make some breadsticks, cinnamon sticks. So we've been doing this like almost every Sunday, with the exception of when we went out to California.
Yeah.
And we're making breakfast at Craig's, and then we go over to Hercules Candy, and then we eat it with his parents. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, you guys probably thought I forgot it, but I didn't. I like to put it on near the end.
Why do you like to put it on near the end?
Nutritional yeast.
No, wait, why do you like to put it on the end?
Oh, because you cook out the nutrients.
I know.
So I like to put it on the end, even though it's gonna go in the oven, so
Yeah.
who knows if we're gonna get our B12 or not, I don't know. But put that nutritional yeast in there, stir it up. I usually put it on right before I put it on the plate, like right now. And then I would put it on the plate, but we're putting it on a pizza. Okay, the oven is preheated to 425. See, there we go. We got a nice round pizza with a nice little crust there. There we go. You take your time, that's what you get. All right, so I was trying to figure out what I was gonna put down for a base, and I think I'm just gonna use a tiny bit, because we don't want it to fall off the pizza when we're eating it. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of just like pizza sauce. Yeah.
Yeah, but that Wegmans tomato basil is really good.
Yeah, it's only like 99 cents.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Labeled vegan.
Yeah, is there even like the vegan V on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's vegan. That's always really nice when companies just put the vegan V
I love
on
it.
there.
I love it.
Makes things so much easier. It's almost like they want us to buy it.
Normally on my pizzas I would put a lot of sauce because I like a lot of sauce, but I want this more breakfasty than like the traditional pizza-y. But that's a good. Wait, is there anything I missed? Like, let me think real quick.
Maple syrup?
I guess I'll do it. It's a fake maple syrup.
Yep, it's like brown rice syrup.
Okay, we're gonna put just a little bit of this in. About like that. And then I'll just mix that in real quick. It gives it a nice little maple syrupy,
Canadian.
yeah, like,
Oh,
with
that
your-
smells good.
yeah, with your sausage and everything. Now it smells like breakfast in here.
Yeah.
It smells like you're in a diner, but it's all vegan. Oops, that was, forgot we got the Teflon Don.
Is that Teflon?
Probably not. They had to do away with that stuff.
Yeah, I got this when I was in college.
Oh, yep, it's probably Teflon.
Oh, it is?
I don't know.
How long ago did they get rid of it?
I don't know.
Oh,
You saw the same documentary I did, so
Yeah.
I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
So all we had right here at Craig's house was the Daya. So these are the cutting board shreds. Daya has the original, which, cutting board shreds, however, really good. So the shreds are kind of gonna melt on top and keep it together. So in all the gooiness when we're eating it. And then the other thing, I'm gonna put this one in there. Do you have a brush? Back to this. Got some nice little pizzas here. Breakfast pizza. Okay, we'll put a little bit more cheese on this one. I didn't want to make it too cheesy and take away from the breakfasty part, but we'll do it. Because Craig wants more cheese on this one.
Yeah, well, one with a lot of cheese, one with not so much cheese.
Okay, and we can talk about it. We can talk about these things. It's like a
Yeah.
therapy session. So the other thing I'm going to
That's what
do,
friends do.
we don't have a brush, but I'm going to take this and I'm going to go like this.
Ingenuity.
All around the crust.
Innovation.
You guys are probably wondering, why are you doing that, Chris? What are you gonna do then?
Oh, geez, someone just died.
Someone
Someone took a tumble.
smelled our breakfast pizza and just fell out of bed. Okay, so we got all around there, and you're like, okay, now what? What are you gonna do now? We took a little trip to Trader Joe's.
No.
And we're gonna put everything on the bagel on that crust. We don't want it to get everywhere, so we're gonna go over the sink and do it. Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh,
I bet the other pizza's
wait.
jealous. All right, this is going right in the oven, preheated to 425. Look at that. Look at those. That's an Insta shot. All right, this is an extra dough. I'm gonna make breadsticks, and we're gonna coat them in cinnamon and sugar. So I'm just kind of gonna go like this. Not all the way through, but like that. And we're just gonna put that in there with them. The pizzas are still cooking. The breadsticks are done. So what we're gonna do, I got some Miyoko's butter, just use some vegan butter. I melted it down a little bit, just left it here on the stovetop, and we're just gonna brush it on. Just like that. They're all brushed in. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, 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 brush. Okay, now, try not to make too much of a mess, and bam. And then whatever falls off, falls off. We got cinnamon and sugar. And you got cinnamon sticks for breakfast. Okay, so the first one we put in, I believe, is ready to come out of the oven.
Ooh-wee.
I mean, look at that. I mean, look. I mean, we just made that. We made that. So the first thing you want to do with pizza is you want to get it off the tray. But what you want to do is you want to cut the pizza right away. All right. Pizza number 1. Now we got to figure out pizza number 2 because we don't have another box.
And we're not sure if it's stuck to the pan or not.
I believe it is stuck to the pan.
Oh no, we did forget the... And that was the good one.
We got it. I'm just gonna put it on another bad tray. We actually made a really rookie move and we forgot to close out the video. We got a little distracted by the pizzas and we went over to Hercules Candy and we ate them. And we have a whole video for that over on Craig's channel, which I will link below. You can watch our mukbang of Craig's family and myself eating the breakfast pizza and the cinnamon sticks. But as for this video, I'm closing it out now. So make sure you check out Craig's video and let us know in the comments below if you like these kind of videos. And give us that thumbs up, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies. And I'm sure I'll see you guys soon.